cards, then let's sign so'mis. Then let's go make some amazing memories.
Wow, it's beautiful! Look at those huge trees.
Lake is gorgeous. This place is perfect.
Let's unload everything before sunset.
Dad! Where's Anna? Where's the food box?
It should be right here. Wait. That's impossible.
Did we forget the food, Dad?
No, I packed it. Oh, no.
The water bottles, too. We left everything at home.
Calm down. This is a challenge, but let's turn it into an adventure.
Like survival camping?
Exactly. Today, we survive together.
First, we need water. There's a stream nearby.
I hear it! I hear the water! Let's go!
There it is! Great, but we can't drink it just yet.
Stream water must be boiled first.
So we need a fire too? I found a bottle! Ooh-hoo!
Good job, Jack. Let's fill it up.
I'll help gather firewood.
Great teamwork. I'm starving over here. There might be wild berries here.
Are they safe to eat?
Only if we know exactly what they are.
Let's be careful.
Dad, look! So many berries!
These are safe.
Finally! Real food. This won't be enough to fill us up, Dad.
Ooh, maybe we can catch some fish?
Let's give it a try.
Can we really do this?
If we work together, yes.
I've never fished before.
I'll show you how, son.
I'll prepare the fire pit while you guys fish.
Dad? Something's pulling.
Jack caught a fish. I did it! I actually did it!
I got the fire going.
And here is our dinner.
Now we boil the water. I'm so proud of us right now. It smells amazing. Best dinner ever.
Funny how food tastes better when you work for it, right?
I thought the trip was ruined. Me too.
But look at us now.
Me too. Today felt like 3 days in one.
That's what adventures do.
The fire is getting low. We should get some sleep.
Can we sleep under the stars for a little while?
For a few minutes.
The sky looks amazing tonight.
Look at all those stars.
I've never seen so many.
That's because at home we never slow down enough to look.
Everything feels so quiet here.
Sometimes quiet is the best gift.
Were you really scared today? But you looked brave.
Being brave means doing what needs to be done, even when you're scared.
I think we were all brave today. I'm glad we forgot their food. Food. Why?
Because today was fun.
That's not what I expected you to say.
If nothing went wrong, we wouldn't have had this adventure.
That might be the smartest thing I heard all day.
I'll remember tonight forever.
Me too. All right, campers, time for bed.
Sleep well.
Why are you awake so early? Because the birds woke me up.
The morning air feels wonderful.
Come outside and look at this sunrise.
The lake is glowing.
It's beautiful.
Moments like this are why people go camping.
Everything feels different this morning.
Different how?
Peaceful. Like lighter.